Hello guys, welcome to Data Warriors channel. In this session we are going to discuss about our next MySQL built-in function from the string function category INSTR. So INSTR is the one of the built-in function from string function category. What this INSTR function will do, it will return the position of the first occurrence of our substring within a given string. Okay, so we will try to understand that with help of example. If a substring is not found, or the pattern of substring which we are passing, if that is not found, then it will return 0. Okay, how we are going to use this INSTR function? So first, inside this INSTR function we are going to give two parameters. First will be our string, within which we want to search for our position of our substring. This will be substring is another parameter. Okay, we will try to understand this with help example. Let me switch W3 school. Okay, so here we will try with help of some examples. So which function now we are going through? INSTR. It returns the position of the first occurrence of the substring. It returns the position of the first occurrence of substring from a given string. Okay. We will try to understand this with help of one example. Like if I am writing some select statement, and inside select I'm using INSTR now. Okay, and inside INSTR, as we are aware, we have to pass two parameters. First is a string, and then another one is a substring. Right, this is the format. So first we will write INSTR function, and then inside that we will pass some string and then substring. So here what string I am going to pass? Here I am going to pass SQL built-in functions as a string. So since this is a string data, so I'm surrounding it by the invented codes, SQL built-in functions, and then here in place of substring, I'm going to pass B. Hmm. Then what it will return? It will return the position of the first occurrence of B in the this given string. So let me try as position of B we will give as early as, okay, position of B. I'm giving as earlier name. So select INSTR, then this will be our string, SQL built-in functions, then comma B as a P is our substring as position of B. So what it will give? It will give the position of B in this the first occurrence or position of the B. So what it should give? SQL is having the three characters, then this fourth has a space, and then this is the fifth one. Let me execute. Yes, so 5. So correct. It is giving us the position of the first occurrence of a B. Then instead of B, if I am using whole word as a substring instead of single character, built I am using, then what it will give? Again, since built is starting from the this B word, B character, guys. So it is starting from the fifth position itself. 3 plus 4, 3 are the SQLs, and then 4 1 is this space. This is the space. So fifth from the fifth position itself. So let me execute what it gives. Yeah, it is also giving 5 because the built our substring or pattern is going to start from the fifth character itself, so position is fifth for this whole text. Okay, so next example we'll be going to try. So instead of this, I will write something, select INSTR, and then inside that I will write MySQL INSTR as a string, and then I want to search the position of MySQL inside that as position of MySQL. That makes it. So what is the position of MySQL, guys? Here if you will see, MySQL is our pattern, and then MySQL in the text is or string is at first position, so it is giving 1. If I am searching something else, then what it will give? I'm searching something else like a I'm searching, so this substring is not there in that whole string, so it is returning the 0. Like as we discuss here, if the substring is not found, it will return 0. Okay, and then finally we will try one final example. I'm reading all data now from the customers table. Select star from customers, read all data from customers table. Okay, so based on this country column, I want to see the position of the a character from this country column. So how we will do that? So select country, we will write instead of all columns, we will write select country, and then now we are going to use INSTR. So inside INSTR, we were passing two parameters, guys. One is a string and then this substring. So now instead of string, we will pass our column. List of values inside the column are there. So country, we have to write the column name, and then after that we have to pass the substring. So I want to see the position of a inside our country list. As we will write alias name, we will provide, and then position of a. Right, I can write it like this, and then I will get the country list and along with the position of a inside countries. Yes, see guys. So here in the Germany, Germ, these are the four, and then A is at fifth position. So position of A is fifth. Then inside Mexico, A is not present, so it is returning the 0. It's very simple, guys. So in the France, A is at third position, so it is returning position as 3. So this way, INSTR INSTR MySQL built-in function from string function category works, guys. So it is simply used to return the position of the first occurrence of a substring or pattern which we are going to search. And these are the some practical examples we saw as part of today's session. Thank you, guys. We will see you in the next session.